We'll guide you through how to find and see story memories on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook. So as you've probably found, when you go and post something on your story, it's only on there for 24 hours. After that, it goes and expires and it can no longer go and be seen by others. However, you can go and have it saved for you. So you can go and then look at them again and repost them if you want, or just go and have a look. We'll guide you through how this can be done. So to go and get started with this, you want to go to the bottom right and you can go and press your profile. On some devices, it'll be the top right. From here, you then want to go to the top left and you want to press the 3 lines. Previously, when you pressed that button in the bottom right or top right, you were took to the menu page. But to get to the menu page, you then have to go and press those 3 lines now. In here, you need to go and scroll down, expand settings and privacy, and you can find the option for settings and you can go and tap there, wait for it to load. And then what you need to do is go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for stories in audience visibility and you want to go and tap there. So you need to make sure that archiving your stories is switched on here. Then it will automatically archive photos and videos after it has appeared from your story. Only you can see your story archive. So with that switched on, they'll then go and start being saved. So I already had that switched on. So then what we can do is go and scroll down to activity log in your activity and you can go and tap there. And then in the top left, you'll go and see the option for archive and you can tap there. Then you can press story archive in the top left and here they are. Then you can go and tap on them, for example, and you could go and share it on your story again.